Hi guys, welcome to Burns on the Beat. If you guys are new here, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing and staying up to date with your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to do an update on the Jasmine Dean case. If you've been staying up to date, I uploaded a video a month ago saying that they searched an open lot trying to find her, but they still haven't found her. And two persons of interest were also placed in police custody and charged, but they still have not found her. So it says it has now been more than 3 months since 22-year-old Jasmine Dean went missing. Since then, her father, Lloyd Dean, has been clinging to hope that one day he would be reunited with her. But now this hope has gone into frustration. Me mad fi find my daughter. Me know say she there somewhere. Me can't sleep. All know me can't sleep. My life gone, Lloyd told the Star. Jasmine, a visually impaired student of the University of West Indies, Mona, has been missing since Thursday, March 27. On March 18, the police announced that a person of interest had been identified in the case. The investigation is ongoing. The person that was picked up, he is still in custody. He was charged in relation to the ATM card that was used for a transaction in the ATM. We would call that a holding charge because he had her ATM card. Assistant Commissioner of Police Fitz Bailey told the Star. Attempts to contact Bailey for an update yesterday proved futile. Meanwhile, Lloyd Dean, desperate to find his daughter, said he is not satisfied with the work being done by the police. More time and not even hear nothing from them, he said. Lloyd is calling on the parents of other missing children across Jamaica. He hopes they can unite efforts and successfully bring their children home. Monday I take with people picnic. The other children, where them live, where them parents there. Me want go on a campaign. Me want go on a walk everywhere. We want with children, them. Me want my own. I wait, you know. Me nah stop. Me nah stop till we find we picnic them. And we nah wait forever either. We don't know what to do, but this I get serious, he added. And he says, if you have any information leading to the safe return of Jasmine Dean, please call Crime Stop at 311. And a lot of people have been saying that COVID-19 actually put this case on back burner, and I have to agree. This whole pandemic has put Jasmine Dean case on the back burner because they are more occupied with finding out what's going on with this new virus, this new disease, and how it's affecting the economy and all of that. Ananda Dean, father, who is Richard Dean, too well the pain that Lloyd Dean is currently experiencing. It has been 96 days since Lloyd's visually impaired daughter went missing, and numerous attempts to find her. She is yet to be located. That is the update on Jasmine Dean's case. It's been 95 days and they still haven't found her. Please keep the family and Jasmine Dean in your hopes and prayers, and that they find her soon or get some form of closure, because it's very sad when your child go missing and you have no form of closure. They can't find anything on this girl. They searched an open lot for a body and they didn't find her. So I know the father, the family members, friends, and everybody that's associated with her needs closure, but it's not gonna come anytime soon, it seems like, especially with this pandemic going on. So keep them in your hopes and prayers, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.